Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, we will discuss about roots of the spinal nerves in our spinal cord in our body. So, let's start the video. If you can't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe and also press bell icon to get latest updates and notifications of latest updates. Along the whole length of the spinal cord are attached 31 pairs of spinal nerves by the anterior or motor roots and the posterior or sensory roots. Each root is attached to be cord by a series of rootlets which extend the whole length of the corresponding segment of the cord. Each posterior nerve root possesses a posterior root ganglion, the cells of which give rise to peripheral and central nerve fibers. The spinal nerve roots pass laterally from each spinal cord segment to the level of their respective intervertebral foramina, where they unite to form a spinal nerve. Here are the motor and sensory fibers become mixed so that a spinal nerve is made up of a mixture of motor and sensory fibers because of the disproportionate growth in length of the vertebral column during development compared to that of the spinal cord. The length of the roots increases progressively from above downward. In the upper cervical region, the spinal nerve roots are short and run almost horizontally, but the roots of the lumbar and sacral nerves below the level of the termination of the cord lower border of the first lumbar vertebra in the adult form a vertical leash of nerves around the filum terminal. The lower nerve roots together are called the coda equina. After emergence from the intervertebral foramen, each spinal nerve intermediately divides into a large anterior ramus and a smaller posterior ramus, which contain both motor and sensory fibers. After that, the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a cylindrical grayish white structure that begins above at the foramen magnum, where it is continuous with the medulla oblongata of the brain. It terminates below in the adult at the level of the lower border of the first lumbar.